The prettiest little steamed dumplings spiked with satay sauce and then drizzled, of course, with more satay sauce. These are my satay chicken dumplings. So yes, we are going to do something magical today. We are going to combine dumplings, already amazing, with satay chicken. Another amazing dish. All right, let's do the satay sauce first of all. I'm going to start off with some roasted peanuts, and they just go into my mortar, and I just want to crush these. So this is the kind of texture that you're looking for. I like my satay sauce to be kind of homemade and chunky, and so don't go all fine dining on the pounding part. Now let's get into the saucepan. A little bit of oil. And then of course, because I'm half Thai, my satay sauce is a Thai style satay sauce. So I'm going to start off with a little bit of red curry paste. And when the curry paste has had like a minute or so to sizzle away and release all of its flavors, then I'm going to add in the coconut milk. And now I want some peanut butter in here, chunky, crunchy for me. Just let that melt in there. And now add in your crushed peanuts. And now for the seasoning. So I want some fish sauce and a dash of sugar. And then you just want to simmer this only a couple of minutes until we get a really nice, thick satay sauce. Now you want to give this a taste, because depending on how salty or sweet your curry paste was, you might need to adjust the seasoning. Well, that one is perfect. Just the right amount of peanutty goodness, a little bit sweet, not too sweet. I don't like mine too sweet. Now I just need a few spoonfuls of the sauce because I'm going to add that inside my dumpling filling, and the rest I'm going to save for when I'm serving up. So the filling itself is some chicken mince. And then for me, the important thing with any dumpling filling is always the texture. So I want a nice soft texture here. I don't want like a really hard rubber golf ball kind of situation. So to get the right texture, I'm going to add in some panko breadcrumbs. The breadcrumbs are going to soak up any liquid inside that filling and become nice and soft. Kind of like break up the mince part. Now I want to add in some spring onion here and my satay sauce. So I've just let that cool down first of all before I'm adding it in. Now give that a good mix. Now I can see here this is quite a firm texture. Whenever I'm making dumpling fillings, I generally tend to like to have some extra liquid on hand. So I've got some chicken stock here. I'm going to pour that in, just see if that's going to give me a better, softer texture. Yeah, that's much better. Now I'm using some wonton wrappers here, and we're going to go a little bit fancy with our shape, but that doesn't mean it has to be difficult. In fact, these are really easy to fold. First of all, I want to make my square wrappers round, or roughly round. It doesn't have to be perfect. And now take one wrapper, and I want a decent amount of filling here. I really want some nice, chunky, juicy dumplings here. And then just wet the edges, place another wrapper on top, so we're sort of making a ravioli, I guess. Make sure you squeeze out any air bubbles, and then just kind of squish and plump the dumpling so you kind of get a little flour. Look how pretty that is, and so easy. So to cook these guys, you just want to pop them into a steamer. I always line mine with baking paper because it's nothing worse than having a dumpling stuck to the bottom of your steamer. Now pop them over some boiling water, and they just need about 12 minutes or until they're cooked through. Now let's have a look. Is there anything better than a freshly steamed dumpling? Not much. Not much is better, my friends, I don't think. All right, let's get our dumplings out onto a plate. And now some of your warm satay sauce on top. And a little sprinkling of spring onion. Now, would you check out that plate of delicious golden little flowers? Oh, they make me so excited. Let's have a look. That is just divine all round. The shape makes me happy. The satay sauce makes me happy. Dumplings just make me happy in general. Yum.
If you've got any comments or questions, pop them below. And if you enjoyed the video, why not hit that subscribe button plus the little bell one, and that way you'll get notified every time I release a new video. Thanks guys.